From amongst 72 beers in 16 categories, Steam Whistle won gold in the Best Pilsner category at the Ontario Brewing Awards. This is the third time we have received this honor. The awards ceremony was held Tuesday, April 14th at the Bier Markt in Toronto, with the stars of Ontario's brewing industry in attendance. Our Brewmaster, Marek Mikunda, proudly accepted the award on behalf of all the good beer folks. To enjoy this great Pilsner, visit the Bar with No Name, 1651 Bloor Street, West Toronto, www.thebarwithnoname.ca. Come on in and have a Steam Whistle Pilsner.